I'm going to show you how to disable startup programs or programs that appear during your computer startup Windows operating systems, and this applies to all Windows operating systems. It hasn't changed throughout the different versions of Windows. My previous video was about something different, and people have been asking about why it doesn't work. Well, the main reason is there's two places in Windows to disable the startup. So what you do on your keyboard is you press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. And as you can see, it's brought up the task manager. Then you click on Startup. You can go to any of these programs in Startup and disable it by right-clicking with the mouse and then clicking Disable. Once you've done that, you can close the task manager, restart your computer, and the program will no longer appear during startup. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.